Well, good morning, guys. Sun's not out yet. We're out here giving this thing a little wipe down because we are headed to these guys here. I think it's, oh, there we go. Supporting our local heroes. It's a street of Bakersfield. Looks like we're on space number 380. And time to take this thing out for one more time. I'm sure there's going to be plenty of shows to go to, but we are heading to the end of this year. So once we get there, most likely I'll just give my phone to one of my sons to kind of walk around and record for me. Because believe it or not, once this truck is parked, people do come and ask questions about it. Is the paint original? Did you do the fabrication yourself? What size rims are they? What size tires? Who did your interior? How do you like that size steering wheel? You know, it's part of the car show process. You know, it's the stuff that all us car people, we know and love. That part of the show kind of gives you an opportunity to show off your work, and get to meet people out there, fellow builders, people that are experienced builders. There's some real big names out there. I heard there's gonna be a really nice truck, C10. I believe it's a 67 that's built by Born Vintage. That's supposed to be like super sick build. I'll make sure that my kids take a video and pictures of that one. But let's get this thing wiped down and let's go to the show. Enjoy it, man.